required some service, couldn't get the service. So then I went to Penrith Solar. Yeah, I'm Terry from Jordan Springs. Originally got a 5 kilowatt system. I had a problem with the installers and required some service, couldn't get the service. So then I went to Penrith Solar, set up for a quote or to come and have a look at the system for me. I rang Jake and he came out almost within hours, I think it was, and fixed the problem. And about 3 months after that, I decided I'd change to a bigger system because it wasn't quite sufficient for what I was doing, and it was installed by Penrith Solar without any dramas. I can track the usage of it and what's happening through the Tesla system, and it's very handy for being able to manipulate your power. The savings that I made on the putting the 10 kilowatts on, it now gives me around about $500 a quarter credit instead of paying an $800 bill. I'd like to thank Penrith Solar for what they've done for me, a very professional job. I just couldn't say enough about you for what you do for the client.